In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up your notifications so you can get notified every time someone adds something to the community and you can join the discussion. All right, so you can click on your profile right here and click settings. And here you see notifications. If you click on here, push notifications, you can get notifications sent directly to your device, which is also very handy if you use it on your phone, because you can also just use Plio on your phone. There is no app available, but you can just use the website. And by clicking this and allowing the notifications, you can get push notifications sent directly to your device. So I would definitely advise that. Okay, next, you can change the specifics of your notifications. So there's two columns here, a bell and an email. So what that means is if you click this one, you can get notifications sent directly to your device. We've already allowed this, but you still have to set it up for each of the categories here. So if someone mentions me, I would definitely want to get notified with a notification. If someone replies to me as well, and I would definitely advise also to click these as well, because then you get notified when someone adds something to the groups that you're a member of. Otherwise, you would only know that by logging into the community. But also a possibility is the mailbox option here. I'm just going to click those as well, because this way you can get notified via email. And this happens either right away or through this overview of content. You can choose to get it weekly, just to see everything that's added to the community, daily or monthly. But I would definitely advise to do this as frequent as possible, so you can get notified of every content you have not seen yet. And the notifications, you can also get a daily or a 4-hourly notification email. And this one isn't available for you because I'm a member. So that's how you set up notifications. It might work differently per browser depending on which one you use. So if you're having trouble with that, definitely be sure to send us an email and we'll help you.